What is up, everyone? Half Dead EDC here again today. And today I finally found my new riding knife. That's right, riding knife. Recently, my fiance purchased me a Kawasaki Z650, and I've been wanting a fixed blade for a while. And I asked a lot of the people that I'm in groups of on Facebook, and I was like, hey, what's a good knife to have to ride on a motorcycle? Well, I got a lot of great responses back from everybody, a lot of great brands, a lot of great companies, until one popped out with me from Amazon. And this is what I'm really excited about. Kizer. Never owned Kizer before, but this is my first Kizer knife. So let's get into it. Already like the box. Second box. Stickers. Well, I like that one. And that one. But this is what I went with. The Kizer Groom. D2. Lightweight. Perfect. Just beautiful straight out the box. Love it. I like that a lot. So, what else comes in the box is Kydex sheath with a belt clip. No rattle. Awesome. Just, yeah, I like that. This is now my new riding knife. And you get paracord, Kizer cleaning cloth, and backup G10 scales. I guess these are carbon fiber, and then these ones are like a frag G10 scale. Love it. Absolutely love it. And then I bought some soft loops so I could scout carry it while I'm riding. So there we go. Awesome. Kizer Groom. Check it out, man. On Amazon, on sale for 50% off for $23. Originally a $46 knife, but man, 23 bucks. Can't beat that. Y'all have a good one out there.